Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my first partner, swap partner with PoetSpice. I had reached out a couple weeks ago about swapping Twinchies, and if anybody was interested in swapping, didn't have to send me anything, just the Twinchies, and I would send you Twinchies back. And Jamie was one of them. And here is her package. I've already filmed this, then I messed up at the end. Oh, goodness. So, she sent me a little note to say, I hope you are having a wonderful or having a fabulous week or month. I thought it was fun to do the Twinchies. I hope you enjoy. PoetSpice. And then these are her Twinchies. Oh my gosh. I love them. They are so cool. This one says, make me a promise to take me by surprise. Cool picture. I love the floral in the background. Cute. Love it. And then she's added, I think she calls this Twinchie Surprise by PoetSpice. Favorite colors blue, steampunk, and then she dated it. Thank you, Jamie. I know my Twinchies didn't have one. didn't have any information. So thank you for doing that. And then this one, life is full of beauty. Oh, love it. Love it. Same thing. This one is titled Beauty. Love it. She was herself again. Look how pretty that is. I love the color scheme. Herself. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then this one is Contented Spirit. These are cool stickers. Love it. Oh my gosh, Jamie, this is wonderful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm gonna put these in my my binder. And then she also gave me some of these. Look how cute this image. I'm gonna have to color her up and put her on a card. Oh, too bad it wasn't small enough. I could have put it on the Twinchie. She gave me that. She gave me a sticker. How cute. And this one. And a little cupcake. I want to thank PoetSpice for joining my swap. I hope my package gets to you, Jamie. If not, let me know and I will send you out new Twinchies. So yeah. Crazy how the postmen don't deliver things. And I know I put stamp on the, on them. So, okay. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.